Hi friends, how are you? If you wanna create a subdomain and install a WordPress on it, then this is the right tutorial for you. We are going to do this in 3 steps. Step number 1, we are going to create the subdomain in our cPanel. Step number 2, we are going to upload the WordPress.zip files. And step number 3, we are going to create a database for installation. In your cPanel, just scroll down and look for subdomains. Just click on that. Give a name for your subdomain. Mine, I'll call it portfolio, and choose the website you want to create a subdomain for. Click on create. You can see that the subdomain has been successfully created. That is step number 1. So step number 2, just click on back, click on the main menu, and choose subdomains. Let's check if it has been created. Yeah, and you can see here it is. Just click on it. Once we are on our subdomain file manager, we have to upload the wordpress.zip files. Just head over to wordpress.org and click on get WordPress. Just click on download, and when the download is ready, just go back to the cPanel and click on upload. Choose your file. I've already downloaded it on my side. Just click this and drag and drop this way. Just some patience as it uploads. When the files are finished to upload, go back on the cPanel and click on reload. Now you'll see the zip file. Just right click on it and extract. Click OK. You can see all the files have been extracted. Open this folder. Highlight everything in here. Just highlight and click on move. Delete this WordPress. Proceed. Delete the folder and the zip file. Just click on delete and confirm. Hand over to this sample.php, right click and edit. Just proceed. Now you have to create a new text file to save the passwords and the database username. Click on that. Now go back to your cPanel and search database. Choose MySQL database. Now give the database name portfolio and click on database, create database. Now you can see the database is created. Just click on and copy this name. Then database name and save it. Go back and check the database we have created. We have to add a new user to the database. Just fill these details, give it a name and choose a strong password. Now after you add the user, just come over here and choose your database and click on add. Choose everything, click on make changes, and very nice. Now let us visit our subdomain this way, and very nice. You can see the WordPress setup is ready to go. Replace the credentials, these ones. Click on let's go. I'll copy the username, just copy and paste here. So paste here, copy the password and paste. Click on submit. Alright, you have made it through the part of installation. Run the installation. Just click on give it a name, portfolio, username, portfolio. Use that password. Just put your email and click install. Very nice. So that is it.